This is task 1.9. So for task 1.9, basically we need to use right angle tool. So on this task, some parts of the houses are covered with trees. So we need to make use of what we have and pass through that trees. Remember guys, we don't draw the things that we see. We actually draw the shape of the houses and not the shape of the roof. So if it's covered by plants, the shape would still be square, right? So let's proceed to the task to show you what I mean. Okay, so this is the actual task. So what we would do here, example for this one, this part is covered with trees, of course. So I need to pass through those. See that? I passed through those trees and not copy the trees at all. Okay. And then I use, you see me? Doing the last point by clicking on the first point and then I use space. Okay, F. You see this? I click on the edge because it's easier for me to look for edges and not for points. So example on this one is covered with trees. The points is covered with trees but the edge is not. So I'm clicking on the edge and then on this one too. On this one. And before I make my last point here, I'll click on the first point and then I press space. So that is perfectly drawn. Okay. So the edge here is visible. The edge here is also visible. Here too. And here too. And before I click my last point, I press on the first point and then I use space. Okay guys, you saw it. I did not draw any part of the trees, so I just used F. And then I could probably like draw this using E. So things like that and then this. So that is how you draw task 1.9.